day 3, and it is like 6:45 a.m. We're up for sunrise at the Windows something. We were gonna try to go to Delicate Art for sunrise, but we didn't wake up in time. It's like an hour hike, so we're gonna see what the Windows has to offer. We're gonna attempt a shot with Andrew in this arch up here, and I'm gonna be way over here. So I'm gonna shoot it with a wide angle and have just his little figure appear right in here in between all of this, and we'll see how that works out. Yeah, got it. You just did a little jumping action over here. I think we got it. Sunrise was a success. 2 sunrises in a row. That's a record for us. It's been a while. We are in Arches National Park in the Red Rock District of Utah. We're probably gonna stay here another night because, I mean, look at this place. It is gorgeous. Now it's time to head back to our hotel for some continental breakfast and to wait until sunset light. Made it for breakfast. The vlog camera actually died, so it's been a couple hours since I last did like an update. We are in Castle Rock, so it's not in Arches National Park, but it's right outside of it. And again, I apologize if you can't hear me. I don't know how well this audio is on this camera, but this place is absolutely gorgeous. And it's not a national park, so that means that you can fly a drone. So we are gonna go put the drone up for just a second here, and we'll see what we get from it. Put on an ND16. It's a Polar Pro ND filter for the Mavic Pro 2, and the reason I'm doing that is because number 1, it's the middle of the day, and number 2, snow overexposes your shots 9 times out of 10. So you want something that's going to cut out a lot of the light so I can get my shutter speed to 1/50th for the video part. For photos, it's not a big deal, but it does make it easier. Alright, so I'm a little nervous. This is the first time flying it like in between canyons, so we're gonna take it slow and see how it goes. That was successful, and the footage hopefully is going to be insane. Alright, so pro tip. Wear 2 pairs of pants when it's cold because the women's pants are very thin. Guys are lucky. Oh, jeez. There we go. 2 layers are better than none. putting on the boots for this hike. We are going to the Delicate Arch. Gotta put on the warm socks and boots, and it is snowing pretty good in the mountains, or not in the mountains, but up at high elevations. Down here it's just sprinkling, but we shall see what it looks like when we get there. Got the sunglasses on so the snow doesn't hit me in the face. It's just a little snowy. We made it to the top of the viewpoint. Apparently it's only a viewpoint. You can't actually get to the arch, which is kind of a bummer, but it's snowing pretty hard and you can barely see it. It's right up here, right there. But these trails are beautiful, and it's honestly just so nice to get out and just walk around. Even if it is snowing out, I don't care. Being surrounded by this landscape is incredible. The US Southwest is seriously like insane, and every time that I'm here it makes me just feel like it's not Earth. Can't really see too much because it's all covered in snow, but what do you think, Andrew?
Cold, it's snowing. We're on a mountain.
I think this is a canyon, not a mountain.
Yeah, technically it's a canyon, you're right.
It looks sweet with it in the background of you right now though.
Really?
Yeah. You can see him behind Andrew there. Let's see if we can zoom in. There it is. It's about as close as we're gonna get right now in this snow, I guess. We're gonna just sit here and kind of enjoy everything for a second and then walk back down and try to find something else. So I'm going to attempt to try to switch lenses in the snow here. I want to try to get a shot of Andrew walking down this pathway. Can't really see anything from the viewpoint, so I'm trying to get a little bit, like I said, trying to tell the story. So don't do what I'm doing right now. See how my sensor is facing up? You should never do this, but for the sake of convenience, there we go. But you could get snow in your lens and your sensor, so don't do what I just did. We made it to Skyline Arch right behind us. Wasn't a bad hike at all. It's actually nice doing it, and I'm super warm. I layered up. It's 27 degrees or something like that, but it does not feel as cold as it does in Michigan at all. We're a little overkill with all of this stuff, but nice and warm. Gonna take a couple shots here, and probably will be it for today. Alright, I'm going to switch to the 70-200. I'm using a Nikon 24-70 f2.8, shooting straight down this line with that little peak in the background as the subject, and I'm going to show you the difference between a 24-70 and a 70-200. I want it to be really compressed, and I want that back peak to really pop out, so I'm going to switch my lens. Alright, 70-200 check, and let's try this again.